Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can adjust the footer margin in Word. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Microsoft Word software on your personal computer and make sure to access the target document in which you would like to adjust the footer margin. Now, if I double-click on the footer section, you can see that it is very high in my case. In order to adjust it, get to the Layout tab from the top and then locate Margins in the list of options. After that, select the Narrow preset from the list of presets to get a minimum footer. You can see that the footer is now decreased. To change the footer size only, get to the Margins menu again and select Custom Margins from the menu. Now, get to the bottom value and change it to your preference. I will simply decrease it and click on the OK button. You can see that the footer is now set on the value I just entered. So that's basically how you can adjust the footer margin in Word. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.